Hello guys, welcome back to Packwise Gear. Now we are looking into probably the best partner with me for a long time since I really started traveling, and the Lewis and Clark Passport Travel Document Wallet Organizer. And this, just a history about it, this is 10 years of usage. You can see that the zippers are really used up here, and I absolutely loved it. And I don't know why I bought all the other ones, but this was doing the job and has everything required for a traveler to have. I guess the reason I bought the other ones is because I'm trying to build the mechanism of travel where I have a split strategy, that half of the cards in one pouch, half of the cards, so as a backup strategy. But other than that, this is, I will recommend this. I have nothing to do with Lewis and Clark. I'm not affiliated with them, but I'll recommend this to every traveler. To have this in your backpack, because I don't know about the quality now, but this was purchased in 2016 and we are in 2025. I have traveled all over the world with this, and it has been a great pouch for me. And I have stuffed it multiple times with things, and I'll show you how I use it. So it's nylon travel pouch. So it's not those modern fabrics of the world which are now in the play, but it's the greatest thing it's provide you is identity theft. So it's, even back in days 2016, they have RFID protection. I think I purchased this for $12.99, and now today in 2025, I just was checking the price. It's about $17 and some change on Amazon.com. So it's extremely lightweight. This zipper, fantastic. This is what you want. You want your things to be protected, because when you're at the airports, TSA and lounges and overhead compartments, under the seat, under your back pockets, so many things are happening. You're moving. You're always in a situation that you're trying to get somewhere, and you're in a hustle. You need the best protection. You need the best zipper. Now there's no AquaGuard zippers here, but these zippers, I don't even know if they're even YKK. No, there's no branding on these zippers, but they went well. And this fabric will give you some weather protection, but back in days they just made it normal zippers. So basically the material is ripstop nylon, and excuse me, extremely lightweight. And gives you that weather resistant protection here. They're in the back. There's a boarding card slot. I use it even for my passport slot a lot of times. Just quickly throw in there, put in a backpack, just talking to the immigration officer in a rush. Then they have these two hooks. I use this to actually put air tag. I have an air tag which kind of hooked into both of these and hanging out there, because of course if I put anything inside, it's RFID, I cannot get to my air tag, so I had to place it outside. There's a zipper pocket here. I have stuff in there. I did in other videos. So these are my cards to unlock my bag locks. Okay, so they are keys. These cards are the keys I use for my travel. Actually, when I do the backpack review, I'll talk about these. Then I have these coins from all over the world in there, and my SIM card device. So I have China, I have Bangkok, I have I think most of this China, Hong Kong. But so you need that. You need a pocket to put the coins, and I usually stash them in there. So let's go inside. So I have used this so much. So this pocket goes deep, very deep. So in COVID times, I'll put my COVID vaccine stuff cards in there. This is actually the main passport slot. You can use this as a passport slot or even that as a passport slot. It's very roomy. And then they have this mechanism. This is actually a pocket, and also you can close down, Velcro close, and put a pen here. For example, just like that. So I'm gonna put my pen here. Now this is very old, guys, but still available. You can buy it, right? The things are very flimsy in here. So and then they have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 credit card slot options, 2 ID card, mesh pockets, but this has a zipper on it. Very important. So here what I will do is, this is my SIM card and also the device. So if I'm traveling to Saudi Arabia, for example, they have I'll get the SIM card, buy it, put in have some kind of plastic bag, put it in there, and so you don't want to lose it. Close it with zip. And same with, if you just want to throw it in there, just like that, close it with zip, protect it on the side. So the passport slot goes right here. You can stash it with 2 passports, no problem, room enough for if you're traveling with family, you have kids. Enough credit card slots. So my 2 keys to my backpack locks, Metro cards, Japan, New York. Couple of credit cards here, couple of credit cards for the other pouch. And this is my ID card right here. So of course I have a few memberships for the lounges in the airports. Put that right in there. So backup credit cards goes with the backup pouch, and some cash for emergency use in this cash pocket. If I put the AirTag, I don't need a tracking device. It already has RFID protection, tested for long-term use. Don't need to worry about it. Close it out. If I need to put keys, I can throw them in here too, just like that. There's a pocket right next to cash. Notebook, no problem. You have a slot for it. Or even better, just put it right next to the pen. Or just right there. Now a lot of you guys will be thinking, Hassan, this is not fancy, this is not Evergoods, this is not Air, this worked. Okay, guys, this worked, and it give me all the protection necessary over the years, right? And then, of course, boarding passes. Right there. This is your travel wallet. The best out there, and for $17, $18, totally worth it. Let's talk about pros and cons. Oh, by the way, you can use these hooks and attach to your neck. I don't know why people will do that. Maybe some religious travel, you don't have a lot of space, but don't put things on your neck, because that's the first place people who want to take stuff will notice. So a very lightweight, plenty of room, passports. I put 2 in there. You guys, a notebook in there, cash slots, coin slots, zipper pockets, overall protection, budget friendly, road warrior, travel warrior, been there, done that. Lewis and Clark, very popular in making these type of products. Cons is, of course, more you will stuff it out, more bulky it's gonna get. It's not those minimalist travels, but you need the protection. You need to secure your mind that I know where things are well protected and well secured. This is it. Now, if you're hanging over neck, can you make a sling? I don't know. Do you want to? I don't think so. It's necessary. I don't even think these are even necessary, but there are some use cases that the manufacturer thinks people use it. And then it's just simple, guys. This is just a simple way of traveling, and this really gives you. You can add some mods if necessary, just to add a little color to your pouch. I have these, actually this is from a multi-tool, so I just use it for color. You can put some of these pouches in there. This doesn't have the protection of RFID, but these small pouches can really come handy when you're traveling. So yeah, well, I used it for 10 years, loved it. I do have some alternatives now, so I'm going to try. But this is my go-to. Even I have to, go to get my passport renewal. If I see this, I'll grab it because I have a lot of bag collection and pouches collection. If I don't, I'll grab something else. But this is my go-to a travel wallet and organizer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share the videos. I'll highly appreciate that. Thank you.